are the top 5 crypto copy trading apps that you can start using today to make money for yourself. Now in this video, I'm going to be talking about these 5 crypto apps based on the following factors. Now firstly, I'll talk about the minimum capital to start copying a trader on this app. That is, how much do you need to have, or what is the minimum amount you must have to start making money with copy trading on each of these apps. Now secondly, I'll talk about loss coverage. Now in case you don't know what loss coverage is all about, there are some crypto apps out there that will give you loss coverage as a new user. So what this means is that if you lose an amount of money in copy trading, they will cover the loss for you. So I'll talk about that for all of these 5 apps I'll be talking about. And for number 3, I'll talk about the profit share ratio on each app. Now in case you don't know what this is all about, for copy trading, when you make a profit from copying a top trader, the top trader takes a percentage of whatever profit you make. So I'll be talking about the percentage a trader will take from you from each of these apps. And lastly, I'll talk about the process of copying a trader, whether it is simple or complicated. So if you are ready for this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. We are trying to hit 200,000 subscribers very soon. Thank you. Now let's get into the video. Now the first crypto copy trading app to start making money today is Bybit. Now in case you don't know, I've been using the Bybit app for over 3 years right now, and I've used all of the features on the Bybit app, including the copy trading feature. And to be honest, it is the best app for copy trading. Now for the minimum investment on Bybit, Bybit allows you to start copy trading with at least $100. Now although there are some apps out there that can allow you to copy with less than $100, but there are not too many. But for Bybit, it allows you to copy with as little as $100. So if you have $100 for copy trading, then you are good to go with Bybit. Now for the loss coverage, Bybit gives every new user a 100 USDT loss coverage. So what this means is that if you do copy trading on Bybit, the first $100 you lose will be covered by Bybit. The only condition for this is that you must do the copy trading with a minimum investment of $800. That is, your capital must be at least $800 for you to enjoy this loss coverage benefit. I hope you understand. So that means if you invest $1,000 into copy trading on the Bybit app and you lose $100 or more, then Bybit will cover $100 of that loss for you. Now, just to be more specific, let's say for example you lose let's say $180. Now Bybit will cover $100 of the loss for you, and you only lose $80 from that investment. So I hope you get it right now. Now for the profit share ratio on Bybit, top traders on Bybit can take up to 10% of whatever profit you make. So this means that if you follow a trader and you make, let's say, $100 profit, the top trader takes 10% of that profit while you take the remaining 90%. I hope you get it. And for the process of copying a trader on the Bybit app, to be honest, it is very, very simple. You just need to enter your capital, that is your investment, and then you enter your risk management parameters, and that is all. And when I say your risk management parameters, I mean your stop loss and your take profit. And if you want to learn how to make money with copy trading on the Bybit app, I have a video on that. The link to that video will be in the description below. So that's for Bybit. And in case you don't have a Bybit account too, you can also use my referral link, which will be in the description below, to create an account on Bybit. Now, the second crypto copy trading app to make money right now is Bitget. Now, I started using the Bitget app in 2021, and I mainly started using it because I partnered with the exchange at that time. But till today, to be honest, Bitget app is still one of my favorite crypto apps when it comes to copy trading. Now, if you look out there right now, Bitget is one of the crypto platforms out there that focuses heavily on copy trading. And Bitget has also made it so easy for every beginner out there to copy traders and make money. And for the minimum investment on the Bitget app, you can copy a trader with as low as $10. So it means that if you can't afford $100 for Bybit, you should be able to afford $10 to do copy trading on the Bitget app. Now, for the loss coverage on the Bitget app, Bitget has a $200 loss coverage for new users. So this also means that if you copy a trader and you lose $200 or more, Bitget will only cover $200 of that loss. So this is a huge benefit for a lot of new users on the Bitget app. So in case you don't have a Bitget account, use my referral link in the description below. And then for the profit share ratio on the Bitget app, top traders on Bitget can take up to 20% of whatever profit you make. And that's still okay, to be honest, even though it is higher than what Bybit top traders will take from you. And then for the process of copying a trader on the Bitget app, it is not too complicated. You just need to enter some details like your capital, your take profits, your stop loss, and so on like that. And in case you want to learn how to make money with copy trading on the Bitget app, I have a video on that too. The link to that video will be in the description below. So click it and check it out and learn the step-by-step guide on how you can start making money with copy trading on the Bitget app. Now, before I go to the third app, I just want to say that about 50% of you watch my videos haven't subscribed to the channel. So please, if you are watching this video right now and you've learned something from my videos, or maybe you are learning something from this video, please like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We are trying to hit 200,000 subscribers very soon. Thank you. Now, the third app to make money with copy trading right now is Binance. Now, Binance is undoubtedly one of the best crypto apps in the world right now, and it is used by millions of users in the world. And one aspect of the Binance app that has been improved on is the copy trading feature. Now, I started copy trading first on the Binance app and I really enjoyed it. It was the first crypto app I ever tried copy trading and I really enjoyed it. And for the minimum investment on Binance, unlike Bitget that allows you to start copy trading with as little as $10, Binance allows you to start with $100. Now, that might be too much for some people, but it is still the same amount you use on Bybit that you are using on Binance. So it is still okay compared to some other apps out there. And then for loss coverage, as at the time of making this video, I noticed that there is no loss coverage on the Binance app. So that means that they won't cover any loss for you. I don't know, maybe there will be any loss coverage maybe in the future or maybe after I upload this video. But as at the time of making this video, there's no loss coverage on Binance. And then for the profit share ratio, top traders can take up to 30% of your profit, and that is a lot. But it can range from 10% to 30%. So make sure you check very well before you copy any trader on Binance. And then for the process of copying a trader on Binance, it is also simple and straightforward. So if you also want to try out copy trading on the Binance app, maybe you don't know how to do copy trading on Binance, I also have a video on that. The link to that video will be in the description below. And if you want to create a Binance account, also check out my referral link below. Now, the fourth crypto app to make money with copy trading right now is BingX. Now, for me, BingX is the simplest app to trade crypto for any beginner out there. And one of the reasons why I'm saying this is because the app is so simple to use and it is not complicated with so many features here and there. And even as a beginner, once you use the BingX app, you'll be able to use it easily. Now, when it comes to the copy trading feature on the BingX app, BingX is a popular copy trading platform and it has been gaining so much attention in recent years. The minimum amount you can use for copy trading is $20. And this is another reason why it is good for beginners. And for the loss coverage, you can get a $10 loss coverage or subsidy voucher. So like Bybit that will give you $100 loss coverage, or maybe Bitget that will give you $200 loss coverage, on the BingX app, it is only $10 loss coverage. So it means that if you make any loss with copy trading on the BingX app, they will only cover $10 of the loss for you. And then for the profit share ratio, I don't really like it on BingX. And the reason is because while I was preparing for this video, I noticed that there are some top traders on the app that will take as high as 32% of whatever profit you make. And to be honest, that is a lot. Though there are some traders on the app too that will take about 12%, 15%, 18%, and so on. But I saw some traders that were taking 32%. I saw that myself and that's too high. And that's just the aspect where I don't like this one. But it's still a good app to do copy trading. So again, make sure you watch very well before you pick a trader to copy. And as for the process of copying a trader on the BingX app, it is the simplest out of the 5 apps in this video. There is no advanced settings or anything. It is simple and straightforward. So in case you want to try it out and you don't have a BingX account yet, you can also use my referral link in the description below, or you check the pinned comment in the comment section. And for the fifth app to make money with copy trading, that is Phemex. Now you see, Phemex is a crypto exchange platform that was founded in 2019, and this exchange has quickly risen to become one of the top copy trading platforms right now. And just like the BingX app, the Phemex app is also a simple app to use. And for the minimum investment, the minimum amount you can use to start copy trading on Phemex is just $10. So if you don't have up to $100 for Binance or Bybit, then you can start with $10 on the Phemex app. And on the Phemex app, I noticed that there is no loss coverage unlike some of the apps I've mentioned in this video. So that means that they won't cover any loss for you. And for the profit share ratio on the Phemex app, the top traders you copy will get up to 12% of whatever profit you make, which is still very good compared to some of the apps I've mentioned in this video so far. And for the process of copying a trader on Phemex app, it is also simple and straightforward. It doesn't have any complicated or maybe advanced settings that you need to do before copying a trader. So like I said, it is simple and straightforward. And in case you're interested, you want to try copy trading on the Phemex app and you want me to make a video on that, let me know in the comment section below. So if you say I should make a video on it, I'll definitely go ahead and do that. And in case you don't have an account on Phemex already, you can use my referral link in the description below, or you check the pinned comments in the comment section below. So there you have it. These are the top 5 crypto copy trading apps to make money right now. Now let me just summarize the main points from everything I've covered in this video. Now firstly, I said for Bybit you get a loss coverage of $100 and the minimum investment is $100 too. And then the second one is Bitget. For Bitget you get a $200 loss coverage and the minimum investment is just $10. And then for Binance there's no loss coverage on the app and it has a higher profit sharing ratio. And for number 4 I said BingX. So on BingX you can start with as little as $20 but it has higher profit sharing ratio. And for number 5 I said Phemex. So on Phemex you can start with $10 minimum investment and you get a straightforward copy trading process. So that's the summary of everything I've mentioned in this video. Now before I go, in case you want to see a step-by-step tutorial on how to do copy trading on any of these apps, I have videos on them like I've said earlier. You can check the links to those videos in the comment section below or you check the description of this video. And also the referral links for all these 5 apps are also in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.